Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, candles, snacks, we do pets, and we do everything in between. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, then please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. I would greatly appreciate it. And guys, as always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does help me out. Also, don't forget, we have active giveaways. They will be linked down below. Definitely check them out and enter if you have not already. But as you can see, today we have our December 2019 BULLYMAKE box. So what is BULLYMAKE box? Well, it is a monthly box for power chewers. So obviously it's a dog subscription as well. It is $39 a month. You can get it as low as $31 if you go ahead and you prepay. And in each box, you're going to receive 5 to 6 premium items, and it could be a mix of 2 to 3 toys or 3 to 4 treats. You do let them know any type of allergy that your dog may have, your dog's size, toy preference, which I really like. I will put a link down below if you'd like to check out BULLYMAKE. And just so you know, if you do sign up, your order will ship the very next business day, and then it will renew every 30 days after. So again, that link will be down below. So if you'd like to check them out, Oscar and Otis love getting this box. They especially love the treats. So let's see what they got for December. I love that they usually do theme the box and the treats and stuff around whatever holiday or something that may be in that month. And this looks like, yes, it's going to be themed. So we will definitely go over everything here on the back. That's cute. So it's like a reindeer and a doggy. So even the paper, they did red and green. So cute. All right. Ooh, I see stuff they're going to love. All right. So we will start with the first toy. Oh, look, it looks like Otis. That is so cute. Oh, he's on both sides. Oh my gosh. Ah. So this is a gift by BULLYMAKE, $18. Here's a gift for your pup. No box, wrapping paper, or ribbon required. Made in the USA from robust rubber. This toy will keep your puppy happy long after all the other presents have been opened. Fill it with treats or toss it around. The play possibilities are endless. So it does have the bottom here where you can put a treat inside and they can play until they get it. But I just love that it has Otis. All right, and it looks like there's one more toy, so let me find that. And this is a reindeer antler. Adorable. This is also $18. This holiday, your dog can chew on some nylon antlers based off those of everybody's favorite red-nosed reindeer. Your pooch will be so focused on chewing this sturdy toy, he might forget to bark at the fleet of reindeer flying overhead. Made in the USA. Oh, Rudolph. So they got a little present with Otis on it. And they got Rudolph's antlers. So they will enjoy that for sure. And it looks like they got 3 bags of treats, which they will definitely enjoy. So let's see, we will start with this first bag. Oh, Otis is on the bag again on the front. Right here. So this is BULLYMAKE Peppermint Sticks. This is healthy dog treats. I do like all of their treats are made in the USA, and you know, they're very minimal as far as the ingredients. They, you know, they don't have any added junk. So this is pea starch chicken, ground potato, tapioca, pork, dried plain beet pulp, coconut, hard to see on white paper. It even says peppermint, and it says peppermint sticks, so maybe it'll help their breath. But that is appropriate because, you know, this time of year, peppermint is everything. There's actually a candy cane right there above my head. All right, so then they have some BULLYMAKE Star Bites. And this has salmon, potato flour, tapioca starch, chickpea flour, vegetable glycerin, salmon oil. All right. Again, made in the USA. They're going to probably really love these. These are all made in Texas. Yeah, they have absolutely loved every single treat they have ever received from BULLYMAKE. So, all right, and then their final bag of treats this month is, oh, it's gingerbread men. And this is chicken with potato flour, vegetable, tapioca starch, bacon fat, natural flavors. So, the one thing I like, and you can't see it, and I'm not going to open it just yet. But anytime they do something like this, like gingerbread men, they're gonna be shaped probably like gingerbread men. These will probably be shaped like little stars. Now these we can kind of see that that's gonna be the shape, like the little. So anyway, so they got the peppermint sticks, the gingerbread men, and the Star Bites, along with the Rudolph antlers and the little rubber gift box toy that has Otis on it. So that was the BULLYMAKE for December 2019. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Do you get BULLYMAKE? Do you get any other pet subscription? Are you looking for one? Because this is a great one. Like I said, they love the treats every month so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget about those giveaways linked down below. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.